Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing laptop that's been making waves in the gaming community, the ASUS ROG Strix G18. Now, I know what you're thinking, another laptop review? But trust me when I say this one is a real game changer. With its stunning specs and features, this laptop is perfect for anyone who loves gaming, creative work, or just needs a powerful machine to get their job done. So, let's dive right in. The first thing that caught my attention about the ASUS ROG Strix G18 was its processor, Intel Ultra 9275HX. Now, what does that mean? In simple terms, it means this laptop is powered by an incredibly fast and powerful CPU that can handle even the most demanding tasks, like playing AAA games or editing 4K footage. Up to 5.4 GHz and 24 cores? That's like having a superpower in your pocket. But it's not just about raw power. This laptop also features NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU with 8GB GDDR5 memory. What does that do for you, exactly? Well, it means you can enjoy desktop-grade performance on the go, without any compromises. Want to play a new game at high settings or work on a project that requires top-notch graphics? This laptop has got your back. And then there's the display, 18-inch ROG Nebula Display with 2.5K, 2560 by 1600 resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, and 3 milliseconds response time. Now, let me explain what those numbers mean in plain English. This means you get a stunningly sharp picture with virtually no motion blur or screen tearing, making it perfect for esports titles and fast action games. Plus, the 16:10 aspect ratio gives you extra vertical screen real estate, which is super helpful when switching between gaming and work. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about multitasking? Well, this laptop's got that covered too. With 32GB DDR5-5600 MHz memory and a 1TB PCIe SSD, it can handle multiple demanding applications, browser tabs, and background processes effortlessly. That means you can have multiple games or projects open at the same time without any lag or slowdowns. And let's not forget about connectivity. This laptop's got all the ports you need: Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with GSYNC and power delivery, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, HDMI 2.1 FRL for 4K/120Hz external displays, and a dedicated RJ45 LAN port. That's right, you can plug in your favorite gaming peripherals or monitor without any hassle. But here's the thing. This laptop isn't just about raw power and specs, it's also about comfort and durability. The 4-zone RGB Backlit keyboard is perfect for customization, and the 90-watt 4-cell battery lasts all day long, even with heavy usage. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro and Copilot, you get AI-powered assistants that can help you with tasks like writing emails or presentations. And finally, let's talk about energy efficiency. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is built to last, not just for your wallet but also for the planet. With its eco-friendly design and sustainable materials, you can feel good about powering up this laptop without worrying about the environment. So there you have it, folks. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is an absolute beast of a laptop that's perfect for anyone who loves gaming, creative work, or just needs a powerful machine to get their job done. Trust me when I say this one delivers on all fronts, from raw power to comfort and durability. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup or simply need a reliable laptop for work or school, be sure to check out the link below for the best price.